Optimized cross-chain trading on the Polkadot ecosystem, who would have thought? With an amazing ecosystem that's really focused on interoperability, this creates a great opportunity for a project like Reef. And that is what we'll be talking about today, Reef Finance. We'll be kind of doing an overview of this project from a more fundamental perspective, what they're working on, the roadmap, the team, all these different things on their website, which everything we talk about will be linked down below. And then we will move into the actual token on CoinGecko, because I know CoinMarketCap sometimes has this data wrong. So we're going to be more switching over to CoinGecko just for a fair warning. So, if some of the coins that we talk about, you've been adding to your favorites on CoinGecko, the mobile application is very nice. Same with CoinMarketCap. I personally use both, but it is true for more exact data, it is nice to look at CoinGecko. We will be doing that all today. Let's waste no time and hop right into Reef.
All right, we're here on Reef Finance. Right off the bat, they talk about DeFi made easy, and it is pretty easy. So we'll be showing you a practice account here over on Reef Finance. This is their actual application. This is my MetaMask account. I talk about this in other videos. I have about 10 different MetaMask accounts because I like to use different ones for different things in DeFi. And then also, if you would have used just MetaMask on one Uniswap transaction before the airdrop in September, that Token allocation is now worth over $10,000, and that's just for one wallet. So that's why I always use all these different ones. But when you're looking at this, the gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation, proprietary analytics, multi-chain accessibility, and this is all on the DOT ecosystem, and it's actually now available on Binance. So that's good to see. With these projects, you always want to look at how you're able to get exposure to them, and having them on an exchange like Binance with a lot of adoption is good to see. So when you're looking at investors, you see, the Bitcoin Cash guys got in, but Genesis Block is good. This is funny, Bitcoin.com, that's Bitcoin Cash. I've talked about a video on that. But Kinetic, you see Master Ventures. Okay, that's good to see. When you're looking at the ecosystem, essentially they're talking about an exchange and trading market, and then DeFi financial infrastructures. All right. Basically talks about, okay, so you're getting liquidity from both centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. So you can kind of see this little drawn out here. You have these centralized exchanges here. You have Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, all CEXs, CEXSs, like centralized exchanges, into the Polkadot system going into Reef. And then you have Ethereum popping it in, so it's coming in from many different directions. These are decentralized exchanges: AirSwap, Uniswap, Kyber Network. Why Reef? Okay, so these are the three problems they're kind of fixing. So let's just start with the fragmentation problem. DeFi activities are fragmented in painful experiences. This increases complexities. Then you have the yield problem: high technical barrier to entry, impossible to keep up with the best strategies, and expensive gas fees. This is very, very true, expensive gas fees. And then a lot of people that aren't fully into this space don't understand the best strategies for getting the highest yield. And then the liquidity. So centralized exchanges are isolated silos prone to hacks, and they're kind of the antithesis of this whole space. You don't really want to be using centralized exchanges. That's the whole point of crypto, is using decentralized applications. So then you have decentralized exchanges. You have unstable liquidity, slow and hard to use due to the Ethereum's network, and then no integration with the DeFi ecosystem. And since these guys are powered by Polkadot, it's fully cross-chain interoperability. So Reef Finance is secured under Polkadot's shared security model, ensuring high resilience and forkless upgradability. Let's see, that's very, very key. The forkless upgradability is huge because you see all these other chains getting forked. Like you have Ethereum Classic, you have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. You want to see something that's just more straightforward. And a decentralized network governed entirely by Reef token holders via a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, to achieve a transparent future, a future based on more truth and less trust. I like that. All right, so let's look at what they have going on for Q1 and Q2 of 2021. All right. Reef liquidity providers and farms, they've done that. Binance Access integration, they've done that. Reef Basket Engine, Reef Client, Yield Engine, Fiat Gateway integration, Smart Access Management, that's V1. Reef Basket Dynamic, this is for Q2. Pooling Mechanism, Moonbeam support, and Plasm support. Okay, so then you kind of scroll down here, you have the rest of the things. But yeah, they have their blog. Let's see what else is down here. Not much, but I think it's quite interesting. You can go on these, kind of find out more about the team, find out more about what's going on there. But let's actually go over to their application and show you guys exactly how this works. Like I said, I have actually a new MetaMask set up that I was messing around with some like wrapped. I think it was like wrapped Bitcoin on. I think it was, what is it? Balancer. I was messing around with Balancer. But yeah. So let's see. So when you're here on Reef, you can view transactions, analyze portfolio, and much more. So you can kind of see like it's a hub. We can do more videos on these where I'm actually using a serious account and like doing like either thousands or hundreds of dollars, and kind of interact with more things in the Reef ecosystem. But this is kind of just showing the Reef price. You can buy now. This is where they're hoping to get this like fiat gateway set up. They really only have it with crypto right now, but get liquidity provider tokens. So you have ETH and Reef. You have USDT and Reef, and then you have Reef Bonds, which sadly they are closed right now, but you can kind of see this previous bond sale. So the APY is 32%, and you had to lock it up for 6 months, and obviously it's the Reef token. Now the Reef card is not currently out yet. We can go over here, but this is something you can actually, if you hit learn more, what you can do is set up your email, and they'll send you updates similar to like BlockFi has this. Binance has one set up. There's other cards in the crypto space. I've considered doing a video on this where like crypto.com cards. As I said, BlockFi is coming out with one, but yeah, Binance card I can't have because I'm not like, I'm pretty sure it's only available in the UK. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the application. It's pretty easy to set up. If you guys are going on it, again, easy way to get there, just going on the website, hit enter app. When you do that, you'll just have to connect your Web3 wallet. You can use Wallet Connect or MetaMask. So this is the token on CoinGecko. This is the Reef token. About 36,500 people like this. Let's see, rank 107. Market cap, man, this is so undervalued. It's crazy. Yeah, so market cap's under $500 million. Fully diluted, it's about 800 million. 24-hour volume. Wow, that's nice. 200 million. That's good to see. All right, max supply is 20 billion. Let's look at what's going on here. All-time high, all-time low. So all-time low was 0.006, about 0.006 cents. All-time high is about 5 cents, and we are, yeah. I mean, I'm personally scooping this up. I'll be straight honest. This is an incredible project, guys. Think about it. It's built on Polkadot. You saw what their application is doing, and this is just the beginning for this project, in my opinion. So there's a lot more room to grow here. We haven't even busted past that all-time high. Obviously, it would have been best if you can get in on like end of 2020, but look at where we're at. I mean, especially this hasn't even seen the explosion that a lot of other Polkadot ecosystem coins have, and this is really doing this cross-chain trading is incredible. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, button all. Let me know in the comments what you think about Reef Finance, Invest Global, and until next time.